Lysol Clean Stay Hilton. Daytona style, okay. Not bad, not bad. But, it's Daytona. We love Daytona. Hey, how you doing?
Hi! Getting ready for the beach.
You ready for the beach and the pool? There's like a fitness competition going on out here. A bunch of people, CrossFit. Pop that open for us, please.
Check this out! Oh my gosh. What?
Okay. I would not get on that. No. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna get down there and see what's going on. But hey, Daytona, they gave us some great weather.
Now I gotta get some sunglasses.
But Paris, I gotta talk to you for a second, Paris.
Oh, yeah.
We're paying $400 a night. What in the world?
What is this?
What in the world? Are you kidding me? Either way, Daytona. Oh yeah, live feed tonight. What time?
Oh, we are doing live feed tonight at 7 because bars close at 11.
Gonna make some social distancing
time.
friends.
We're gonna make some social distancing friends, but we want to have a good live feed and be able to do it long enough to.
And the competition starts tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Hero8.
Where's it at?
Oh,
I got it.
Did you got it?
I got it.
So yeah, we'll do the competition tonight, guys. We're starting tonight. Oh, what do we got? Oh, the Hero. There we
GoPro
go.
Hero8.
Boom. And the link will be below. If it's not in the video, Katie will upload it later. I have to get back to her when I upload them, so go ahead.
Yes.
All right, Hero8. Bam.